Columbia really opened my mind to the possibility of what my art could be.
We prepare our students for a future in the industry because when they leave here, they are ready to work. When you come here as a first year, potentially your lifelong network is beginning on day one.
I feel like it's not just about the classes that you go to, it's about what you work on and how you're getting involved. And it really is helpful to work with people who are also learning.
There are a lot of opportunities for students to create without a lot of oversight. And so they get to really explore their own voice.
And I found that Columbia has definitely pushed me to do a lot of things and do a lot of things just with passion as the leading focus.
With the Dance Center here, we're a very small community, but we're like mighty. We're really supporting each other here.
I really enjoy our light lab we have at the Getz Theater Center. If I have friends around and we're both in combat, we can go to the armory at the Getz Theater Center and grab some weapons. I spend a lot of my time in the courtyard theater as well.
This is my favorite dance space because it's like a black box space, so we can close the curtains and really get like the nice intimate feel.
So fun to be able to have such like a vast array of spaces and opportunities to do in the building.
Our students are getting feedback from working professionals that are active in the industry.
I've learned so much from them talking about the realness of the industry and how new things are happening every day, and they're able to show us those things and teach us how to navigate those things, and it's really helpful.
I've never seen race or gender or body identities get in the way of someone getting a part, someone being in a design position, or someone being able to take a leadership role.
This school is very inclusive. All walks of life, different cultural backgrounds.
Every year they do like a featured Black play, which is really nice. Having the opportunity to like act in a space with Black actors and to be a part of a Black show and to have a Black director, the fact that they're intentionally fostering that is really cool.
You really are going to get what you take out of it. It's not going to be handed to you. You're going to need to prove it to yourself that you can do it as well.
We have great teachers, and we have great productions being put on, and we have this wonderful, beautiful circuit of we need directors, and we need actors, and we need playwrights, and so everyone is just making something, and we're all needed for it.